Hello guys, it is Zach here with Caffeinated-VET, and I am here with my mentor at his property. This is Scott Yonker.
Hello?
Dr. Yonker is an awesome veterinarian he's worked at UPC and in veterinary field for many years, but here we don't necessarily always talk about veterinary channel. We like to talk about what we can do outside of it, have a little fun. He and I have a certain proclivity for, as you guys know, mechanical workings, and it does accumulate certain different things from about 5 multiple tractors, various different trucks, including an old 69 Ford F-250 Special Camper Edition, another one of those, another old quality muscle car, and some various other things all throughout the property. Now, when you're usually on an acreage, you have a couple different things. Old tractors are usually standard, and what's funny is, Yonker, you said 3 of these run? 3 run. So, Massey Ferguson, Emerson Chamberlain, and then what was the other one that ran?
Massey Ferguson 204.
Okay.
Chandler's WD-45. That's a turf. Massey Ferguson 35, and that's a Minneapolis Moline 335.
Yep. So, don't need to necessarily buy new stuff. You can always find like old, awesome equipment that would still work. Put a little decent amount of work into it, get them running and going good, and they do the work great and just fine. So, we're gonna check out some more stuff. Yonker and Debbie got some horses. Nice quality acreage out here. Good time. They also got this extra Ford, Yonker does, out here. Crazy stuff. Pretty good. I enjoy it. Hope you guys have been enjoying it too. Alright, I gotta put this tractor back. Foot pedal in. Got reverse. Got forward, emergency brake, clutch, steering wheel, drive, and of course, work the loaders right there. Forward,
You go through town.
okay.
By the time you come down out of town, I think there's like a dump area over there on one side with some stuff, storage area.
Hey guys, so, why did I say hey guys? What's up guys? Finished up at Yonker's place and I am home and I've started my week. The next day, I'm actually on the next day, end of the next day, just finished a shift. Had an amazing time at Dr. Yonker's. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the adventure I have, learning a new skill of actually driving old tractors. I grew up with my grandfather, my dad's dad, owning a old, what I think was either a 70s or 80s Oliver tractor. So to now have the ability to go find other not so large brand name, old quality acreage tractors from someone who's a mentor of mine, good man. See what he has, learn a bit about the actual pieces, where they came from, how he got them, what's different about them, and then also just learn, as you guys saw, learn to drive them. It's a fun little piece. Yeah, just a different little piece here on the channel. Hope you guys like this piece of content. As always, hope you guys like the videos, share them. Anything, the easiest thing you guys can do is give me a like and give me a subscribe and leave a comment. That's basically what I have for this week. Actually, I'll bring you guys on one more thing. So we're not going to finish it here. We're going to actually continue on. I'm going to have you guys come with me tomorrow to when I go back. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to meet up with the guys at F3 Lincoln for a game night. So that's going to be pretty awesome. And that is not tomorrow, but that's on Friday. So see you then.
And they're like the biggest band in the world.
You had no choice, though.
Exactly.
Hey guys, I just got back home from Lincoln. I went and I saw the guys out in Lincoln, and I had a nice game night with them, but I left early because it was snowing, and really, to be honest, I did not want to be stuck out in the cold, so I drove a little bit through the storm, got ahead of the storm, made it to Omaha, but that was a harrowing about 50-minute drive, so I think I'm going to call it a night, call it a week. Didn't really get much video for that because I left early. It's kind of how it goes some weeks. Yeah, live in the Midwest, you deal with the weather. As always, stay fit, stay faithful, stay caffeinated, stay safe when you're on the roads. God bless, and I'll see you next time, nerds. Woo! Hey everybody, Caffeinated-VET here. As always, hit the subscribe button, share these videos, ring that notification bell like it's a new boxing match about to happen. Otherwise, you're going to get a Hertz donut. And, as always, follow along for more Caffeinated-VET content. We love to have you guys around. And, of course, share these videos, share a cup of coffee, stay fit, stay faithful. God bless.